everyone, it's Miss Richardson and Miss Brown here. Today we're going to be learning some maths.
So today we are learning to understand how to share equally.
You're going to need some cards with some numbers on. Perhaps you can just write some numbers on a piece of paper. You're going to need some objects that you can share, and you're going to need a friend or a grown-up to help you.
So sharing equally means that we both need to have the same amounts. So we're going to find out which numbers are even and odd today and have a real good think about it. So I'm going to choose my first number. My first number is the number 4. So Miss Richardson, can you count out 4?
I can. 1. I'm going to put them in a line because that helps me. 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to check by touching each one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 fish. Now I'm going to share them between Miss Brown and I and see how many we have. So 1 for Miss Brown, 1 for me. 1 for Miss Brown, 1 for me. Miss Brown, how many do you have?
I have got 1, 2. I've got 2 fish.
And so do I. I have 2 fish too. So it's the same. So that means it's equal. So where would we put it? Would we put it in the even or the odd?
I think it needs to go in the even. I think 4 is an even number because we have both got the same. We could share it equally.
So shall I have a go? I'm going to pick a card, and the number that I have picked is the number 3. Miss Brown, can you share 3 fish for me?
I can, so let me count them first. 1, 2, 3. I've got my 3 fish here, and I'm going to share them between us. So 1 for me, 1 for Miss Richardson, and 1 for me. How many have you got, Miss Richardson?
I've only got 1.
I've got 1, 2. Is that equal?
No, because you have more than I do, so that must mean it's not equal, which means it would be an odd number. So let's put the number 3 on the odd side.
Let's try another number. Okay, I'm going to choose the number 6. Could you share 6 for me? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let me share them. 1 for Miss Brown, 1 for me. 1 for Miss Brown, 1 for me. 1 for Miss Brown, and 1 for me. Miss Brown, how many do you have?
Okay, I have got 1, 2, 3 fish.
And I have got 1, 2, 3 fish as well, which means we have the same, which means they are equal.
So is that even or odd?
It's going to go in the even column because you can share them equally. So 6 is an even number.
Okay.
My turn to challenge you, Miss Brown. Okay, I have got the number 7.
Okay, 7, so I'm going to get my 7 fish first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got my 7 fish here. So now I'm going to try and share them equally between us, Miss Richardson. 1 for you, 1 for me, 1 for you, 1 for me, 1 for you, 1 for me, and 1 for you. How many fish do you have, Miss Richardson?
I have got 1, 2, 3, 4 fish.
Okay, I have got 1, 2, 3. You've got more than me, Miss Richardson.
So that's not fair, so it's not
It
equal.
hasn't been shared equally. So is it an even number or an odd number?
It's an odd number because we don't have the same amount. It wasn't shared equally. So today your challenge is to choose your number cards, share your objects, and see if you can find all the even numbers and all the odd numbers. And then perhaps you can send it to us on Class Dojo. Thank you for watching.